Today's build is something a little bit special. I'm building a bedside shelf with a built-in lamp and a couple of features for my granddaughter. Stick around, see how I put it together, and if you're interested in making one yourself, I've got a free template available for download. When Alyssa found out that Grandad had a YouTube channel, she was so excited and wanted to be in a video herself. So she asked me if I could make her something.
So can I have a shelf with a lamp for my phone, please?
So please, do me a favour, watch the video all the way to the end, hit the like button. Let's make this the most viewed video on my channel for her. She'll be absolutely over the moon, and I'll never hear the end of it. A couple of things I've come up with so far. I'm going to put rounded corners on. It's going to be just above bed height. It's going to have the light at the back shining up the wall. It's going to have a groove in it so that she can watch her phone in bed. Not that she does that very often, but when she does, it'd be nice that it's not just on her bed. And it's going to have a hole in it for her Stanley cup because she takes a cup of water to bed with her every night. And that will save her knocking that over, and it won't have to be on the floor. So the head of her bed is that way. So I'm going to cut a groove for her phone at a 45-degree angle. And I need it to be about the thickness of this phone. So give myself a rough guide and I'll sneak up on it. Now I've set my table, I'm going to do it on the miter saw. And I've set it at a 5-degree angle so that the phone just sits back ever so slightly. So the piece is nearly complete. Find out what that is at the end. I'm going to glue with wood glue and super glue, put it on, hold it until it starts to set or set a bit, and then I'm going to do a couple of dowels in the top just to reinforce it. There'll be no screws in this build because obviously it's near a bed, it's a kid's bed. If it gets broken, there's sharp screws hanging around, that's not good, but it will need to obviously be screwed to the wall. So for a finish, I'm just going to use this Brewax honey. I want to keep it quite light as it's a child's bedroom. And I'm just going to drop a couple of small drops of super glue in just to hold it. And there we have it, one shelf with a light. Got its own switch. Takes a Stanley cup. The hole at the back was for the cable to go through for while it's charging, so that She can watch her phone while it's charging, but when she goes to school and unplugs her phone, rather than the lead go down the back of the bed, she can unplug it and leave it in there, save searching for it every day. Watch this video for some more projects to make.